It's my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about 168A Chinese shopping app. Whether you have been ship and import products from China using 168A Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to the app, there is an opportunity for you to take advantage of promo that is going on right now on 168A Chinese shopping app. A lot of people are not aware of this, but if you are watching this video right now, consider yourself a great lucky because I will unlock everything to you right in your 168A Chinese shopping app account. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. So having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, it's going to look somehow like this. However, if from your own end it was not like this, it means that you have not updated to the latest version of 1688 Chinese shopping app. So on getting to the home page right there, for you to have access to all these limited time promo that is going on 1688, make sure you go ahead and click on your profile icon right there. It will take you straight to your profile and you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this particular update right there. So click on that. Then it's going to take you to the page right here. All the products right here are recommended products by 168A Chinese shopping app, and they are on sales promo, 50% off. Just like what you see right here. Take a look at this one right here. The original price is 6.18 yen, but during the promo price, you are paying 3.18 yen. It's that simple. Then this prawn right here, original price is 1.86 yen, but because of the ongoing promo, you are paying 0.71 yen. So you can scroll down and see more products right here. The more you scroll down, the more a lot of product is going to load up right here. So just like what you see right here. So scroll down. Now, if you are ready to purchase from any of the store right here and you want to take the advantage of the ongoing promo, what you need to do is to simply click on the product link. Let's say, for instance, I want to buy from this store. I will go ahead and click on the product link, and it's going to open up like so. Then you can see it right here from the sales page. You can read the detail about the store, check on the and check on the product graphics. The more you scroll down, the more everything is going to move up. Continue to scroll down right here. Okay. So once you are ready to make a purchase, you can go ahead and click on here, and it will connect to where you have select quantity you want, everything you want, and then number, colors, etc. Add product to cart and go ahead and make payment. So you can see the amount you are paying for this particular product right here. You are paying 5.76 yen instead of paying this amount of 31.49 yen for this particular product right here. It's that simple. So you can go on and shuffle different type of store and take the advantage of this current promo going on right now on 1688. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.